Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 6 progressions. In that exercise 6.2, fourth question. The question is given: which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 and so on is 78? Okay na? Which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 and so on is 78. Okay. Now see its solution. What is the given AP, Nana? Given AP, that is what? 3, 8, 13, 18, and so on. Okay. Now we know in that this is the first term and this is the second term and this is the third term and this is the fourth term. The first term A1 is equals to, that is what now? 3. And what is the common difference? The common difference D, that is equals to A2 minus A1. Okay, now already the given series in AP, that's why it is enough. A2 means that is 8 minus A1 means 3. So 8 minus 3 is equals to what? That is 5. So the common difference D is equals to 5 and the first term A or A1 is equals to 3. And if AN is equals to 78, okay, if AN is equals to what, Nana? 78, we need to find N is equals to what? Okay, now which term annadu, the number of term is what? Okay, so this is the data. Now we have a formula. The nth term of the AP is equals to, that is what? AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 of D. This is the nth term of AP formula. So what we taken? The AN value, AN is equals to what? 78. Complete total AN is equals to 78 is equals to A. First term A is equals to what, Nana? That is 3 plus N value we don't know. Okay, now we need to find N only now. So N value, that's why you write just N only. Minus 1 into D means the value of D, common difference is 5. Okay. Now 78 is equals to 3 plus with 5 you multiply bracket part n minus 1. 5 into n, that is 5n, minus 5 into 1, that is 5. Now 78 is equals to, here plus 3 is there, here minus 5 is there, plus 3 minus 5, that is what now? It becomes minus 2 plus 5n. Okay. Now minus 2 is transposing to LHS side. It becomes what? Plus 2 is equals to 5n. Now 78 plus 2, that is 80, is equals to 5n. Then we can write n is equals to 80 by 5. By dividing 80 with 5, 5 ones are 5. Okay. Then 5 6 are 30. Simply n is equals to what now? N is equals to 16. Therefore A16 is equals to 78. Okay, now the 16th term of this AP, the 16th term of the given AP is 78. Okay, na? కావాలంటే ఒకసారి వెరిఫై చేద్దాం. ఓకే, now as per data given AP is what, we know the first term A is equals to, that is 3, and common difference D is equals to 5, and N is equals to, we get 16, AN is equals to what? Okay, so now substitute in that formula the nth term of AP, AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 of D. If we don't know AN value మనకు తెలియదు అనేసి అనుకుందాం, then substitute the remaining values. A means 3 plus N value as we get 16 minus 1 into D means that is 5. Now 3 plus 16 minus 1, that is 15 into 5. Now 3 plus 15 5s are what, nana, that is 75. Now AN is equals to 3 plus 75, that is 78. Hence true. Okay, so like this we can find the number of terms. Okay, which term means the 16th term of the AP is 78. Okay, so now see one more question, Nana. That is question number 7. The question is given, the 31st term of the AP and whose 11th term is 38. 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38, the 16th term is 73. So this is the question. Find 31st term of the AP. We need to find 31st term of the AP. What the given data? The data is 11th term is 38. Okay, now whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. 16th term is 73. Okay, so this is the question. As per given data, see its solution. We need to find the 31st term of the AP. So given 11th term is 11th term of the AP is, that is 38. That meaning is 11th term means what? We can write it as A plus 10D is equals to 38. So this is the equation 1. Now in the same manner, 16th term is 73. 16th term of the AP is, that is 73. So 16th term means we can write it as A plus 15D is equals to 73. So this is equation 1. A plus 10D is equals to 38, and equation 2, A plus 15D is equals to 73. Now solving equation 1 and equation 2. ఈ టూ ఈక్వేషన్స్ని సాల్వ్ చేద్దాం. Now equation 1 is A plus 10D is equals to 38. A plus 15D is equals to 73. By changing the signs, minus minus minus, okay, now plus sign unte it becomes minus. Now plus a minus a cancel. 10d minus 15d. 10d it becomes a plus 15. Actually plus 15. By changing the sign it becomes minus 15. Plus 10d minus 15d, that is minus 5d, is equals to 38 minus 73. Means we get 13 minus 8 means what? By taking borrow 13 minus 8 we get that is 5, and 6 minus 3 3. So we get 38 minus 73 means minus 35. So then both sides I am removing minus, then d is equals to 35 by 5. 5 ones are 5 sevens are 35. So we get d value as what? No? D value is 7. Okay, na? So then substitute d value 7 in equation 1 or equation 2. So then what I am doing? Substitute d is equals to 7 in equation 1. Equation 1 lo substitute. What is the equation 1? A plus 10d is equals to 38. So this is the equation 1. So a means we don't know. A plus 10 into d. D means the value of d is 7 is equals to 38. Okay. Now a plus 10 into 7 means that is 70 is equals to 38. Now a is equals to, by transposing plus 70 from LHS to RHS, it becomes what? Minus 70. Now a is equals to 38 minus 70 means that becomes what? That is 32. Okay na? So a is equals to what? The first term a is equals to what? 32, and the difference is what? The common difference of the AP is 7. So for finding AP, the required parameters are first term and common difference. Then we need, as per in given data, we need 31st term of the AP. Yes. Therefore, the 31st term of the AP, 31st term means a plus 30d. Okay, now a31 is equals to a plus 30d. So then a means the value of a is 32 plus 30 into the value of d is 7. Okay. Now 32 plus 3 sevens are, 3 sevens are 21. So 37s are 210. So therefore the 31st term of the AP is equals to 32 plus 210, that is 242. So this is the required answer for this question. Okay students, thank you.